So Agne, you've been a brand ambassador for over 2 years now, have you?
I have, yeah,
So,
I'm a very lucky lady.
so tell us how you first come about it.
So basically 4 years ago I bought my first fire, so I was just a customer and I fell in love with the brand, with the products, people behind the brand as well. That's a massive thing for me.
Really is, isn't it? Yeah.
So I now got 2 of the fires in my home.
So you started off one in your living room first, was it? Okay.
Yes. And I've got a marble suite in my bedroom, which is just stunning.
Lovely.
It's amazing. It's a game changer.
It's
it
a
really
game changer.
is.
And what size one have you got in your living room?
So it's the panoramic 2000.
2000,
yeah,
okay.
So
wonderful.
I believe it's 2 meters long. It's a large piece, but it just makes the room. It's a massive focal point.
And if you had the stone built around it, or is it on a medium wall?
It's on the media wall. Yeah, it's like integrated on a chimney breast.
Great, lovely. And what about the one in the bedroom?
So basically, I've got Denver.
It's
in my
this
bedroom.
suite, is it? Yeah, the Denver, lovely.
But it's a different. It's in Carrara white. It's a stunning piece. So basically, my bedroom was very plain. It's a good sized bedroom, but it was just really plain. I didn't know what to put in it to make it more interesting and just to add character. And this fire just.
Has it done the transformation you were expecting?
And at night as well, when the fire's on, it just makes it so cozy as well. Just like lay in bed.
It's relaxing, isn't it? Just watching the flame
it really
effect.
Is, yeah.
Yeah, it really is.
So you're not just buying a product, you're also investing in yourself, in your well-being, in your lifestyle. Yeah, massively.
Which is very important. Great. So where can we find you on social media?
So my handle is Mason underscore, is it?
Yes, underscore.
Number 27.
Number 27, brilliant. And what's coming up next for you then?
I'm not sure, I'm just so grateful to be here and to work with Bespoke Fireplaces. Amazing people, amazing products.
They really are, aren't they? Yeah. And have you been to these stands before? Any type of trade shows before?
So I went to the one in Birmingham last year, but this is just unreal. I mean, the stand is just unbelievable.
Stands out above pretty much everything. I haven't seen the whole show yet, but I've had a good look around more than half of it, and this just stands out above.
It really does. I mean, what they achieved in a short space of time is just unreal.
Brilliant. Listen, I know, me too. Listen, thank you very much for your support. Okay?
Thank you.